Hi, my name is Cubastic and I've been speedcubing for more than 4 years now. Considering all those years, I still haven't seen a puzzle I couldn't solve. But the task that is in front of me today scares even me. I wanna solve the biggest Rubik's Cube in the world, 17 by 17. 17 by 17 Rubik's Cube. 7 pounds of plastic, 6 colors and 6 sides, 17 edges and more than 1500 different elements. Right now each one of them is on its place, and it's the only position when the 17 by 17 cube is considered solved. Today I will have to scramble it, and then, using only my experience, patience and a lot of time, to solve it. It's gonna be incredibly hard to do, but I also spent a lot of time and effort to prepare this video, so I ask you to support me with a like and a comment in advance. Only your help inspires me to accomplish tasks this hard. Okay guys, I really hope that you liked this video and subscribe to my channel, and now we can start. You know, when I just got this cube, I didn't even think about my feelings when I start solving it. I was worried a little bit, but right now I'm worried a lot more, and I even feel like if I stay quiet, you could actually hear my heartbeat. Because to defeat a monster like this, it is a real challenge. All I have to do now is to scramble it, then take a deep breath and start this long path. Let's compare the sizes of a regular Rubik's Cube and this monster. Just look at the size, it's unbelievable. I don't have any more words, I really wanna start the timer. I would use my phone. And in the beginning I wanna see how much time it will take for me to scramble it. I'm probably making the biggest mistake in my life. But I really hope it will bring some joy both to you and me. Let's go. So guys, I think this would be enough. It took me 4 minutes to scramble it, only 4 minutes of chaotic turning to scramble it to this state, but you can still see some elements close to each other. Actually that doesn't matter, but okay, I'll do a few more turns, maybe it will make you more confident. Some people say that in order to solve the Rubik's Cube this big, or any other puzzle, you need to scramble it, remember how you did it, and then reverse all the movements. Guys, it's impossible, and of course it can't be done in puzzles this big, so everything you'll see now is gonna be real, no tricks or magic, 3 cameras, and a real first time solving. Okay guys, this is the moment. The 17 by 17 is scrambled in front of me, and all I have to do now is to start up a timer on my phone, and I'll ask you to write your guesses in the comments on how long do you think it will take me to solve this beast. Let's start. Guys, an hour. I've been doing this for an hour. To be honest, I'm kind of tired already, and I couldn't even solve the white center in this hour. It's a good thing I started doing it more quickly at the end of the first hour, so we'll see if I manage to do all the other centers faster. I really hope so, but my eyes are actually really tired. I also started to feel pain in my back and my arms. Just imagine 7 pounds of plastic, which you always hold on your stretched arms. It's not that easy. Okay, let's continue. I want to do this as fast as I can. Let's go. I'm finishing the first center. It's been 1 hour, 4 minutes and 35 seconds. It's actually a lot harder than I thought. I'm not gonna stop, and now I'm flipping the cube and going to solve the second center. I really hope this one is gonna be a little faster, so please wish me luck, guys. Let's go. You know, guys, it's only been a few minutes for you, but I've been sitting here for 1 hour and 46 minutes, and it's a lot harder than I thought. So, I'm finishing the second center. Done. 2 centers are finished in 1 hour and 52 minutes. Let's continue. It is really important not to lose myself in these colors, not to lose myself in these centers, and the main thing is not to break the first 2 centers, because if it happens, I will lose a lot of time which I don't have, because I'd like to set a record, though I don't even know if it exists, but I'll try. Update. My head hurts really bad. I knew it was gonna be hard, but I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what to do with these elements. They are all mixed up in my head. 2 hours, more than 2 hours, and I have no idea how I'm talking right now. The third center, 2 hours and 48 minutes. It's not that good. 3 centers in 2:48, there's too many elements, too many. Guys, it's been 3 hours already, and I can't believe I've been doing this for 3 hours. Now is the most difficult part, because I need to keep most of these centers I did and to solve the others, but it's hard and I don't even know how to do that. I should either do them one by one or to keep doing this in sections, but I cannot do it yet. The last turns for the red color are done, and the hardest part is ahead. Solving the last 2 centers, then I'll need to do the second stage, a huge stage of solving the edges, but now I need to focus on solving the blue and the orange centers. The hard thing is that they are solved in the same time, and again, I can't let myself destroy the other sides. At the moment, the only thing destroyed is me. Okay guys, let's go. You know, on the fourth hour you stop understanding the reality, you don't know and can't see anything except this cube, and you know you get a lot of doubts after each turn and movement. Your hands are tired, fingers hurt really bad, because just imagine picking up these 7 pounds of plastic each time you need to make a turn. But, you know, somehow I found a second breath and I believe that I can do it. I really want to solve this cube, I want to do this as soon as possible, and I see that it is possible. 4 hours. It's been 4 hours and it wasn't pointless. I don't know where I get this power and will from, but I will do it. Did you hear that sound? What happened? God, that was so scary. I almost broke the biggest Rubik's Cube in the world. And it's not a clickbait. 1, 2, 3, done. The centers are ready. 417. It's 417 and all of the centers are ready. Okay guys, I have a chance to finish it in 5 hours. I will try really hard. I need maximum concentration, maximum speed now. I'm going for it. Guys, wish me luck. I need it right now. I really want to do it in less than 5 hours. Let's go. To be honest, I'm starving, I'm really tired, but I'm not gonna stop. I really wanna finish it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! I did it! In less than 5 hours. 4 hours 57 minutes. The biggest Rubik's Cube in the world. I'm the happiest person on this planet, guys. I'm really grateful that I'm having this cube on my table and I got a chance to solve it. I didn't lose this chance, I used it and I solved the biggest Rubik's Cube in the world in less than 5 hours. I don't know what is the world record, but this is fast enough. A huge thanks to me. You wouldn't believe this, but I'm really thanking myself to sit through 5 hours of this, a few weeks of preparations to this video. A huge thanks to the inventor of this cube. A huge thanks to you for supporting me, for your likes and comments, for motivating me to do more and better, and thanks to you, I finally did it, made myself happy, and I really hope that it made you happy as well. I'm really tired, but really happy. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Though why wouldn't you? Leave that freaking like, leave a nice comment, subscribe. I love you very much. Set the goals and accomplish them. And I tell you, in any hobby you can find a path to achieving any goals. Just believe in it. Do it. I tell you, everything will be amazing. Thank you very much and have a nice day. I'm Cubastic, take care.